Good day guys, in this video we're talking about how to automate link routing with Arc browser air traffic control. So guys, crucial warning first, this automation engine is strictly a macOS exclusive feature. So in order to start guys, I will just give you the guide and you can just do this on Mac. So when you launch up your browser, just go ahead and press Command T. On Windows it's just going to be Control T. There you go, you will get this window pop up. And in here, guys, just make sure to type in Open Link Preferences, like this. And in my case, it's just going to open up the search on Google, but in your case, it will take you to the settings. Then, guys, what you need to do next. When you get to those settings, you can just jump and scroll down to the bottom of the links directory and click the Air Traffic Control button. So, for example, if I go to settings here, in your case, you just find a field where it's going to be saying links, and then just find traffic control and enable it. And then if you want to create your first automation rule, click New Route in the top right corner. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. You navigate to the link preferences, you go settings and then links right over here, and then you go to add traffic control, and this is where you can set everything up. So just select your target space from the drop-down list to log the path and assign your default fallback layout at the bottom. So that is it guys, whether you're automating your links on Mac or sandboxing on Windows, organizing your cross-profile layouts keeps your workspace clean. Hopefully we helped you sort this out. If we did guys, like and subscribe.